Hi there, my name's Duncan Lees from Visual Skies. I'm one of the crack team of judges on this year's Airwards, rather like the A-Team but with fewer weapons. Airwards has really opened my eyes to the ingenuity across the whole of the drone sector, and what has struck me most has been the passion shown by all of the entrants. However, there can be only one winner, and here I'm going to announce the winner of the Sensors and Payloads category in the technology group. And the winner is Dottrell Technologies for their aerial audio two-way communications payload system. Congratulations to them.
Hi, my name is Sean Edlin and I'm the CEO of Dottrell Technologies, a New Zealand-based UAV acoustics company. On behalf of the Dottrell team, I'd like to say a massive thank you for selecting aerial audio as the winner of the Sensors and Payload category. Aerial audio allows audio capture through drones and evolves drones into communications tools. So thanks again for selecting aerial audio for the awards and for helping it gain recognition as a solution that will help save lives.